Field cut corners can be made with a Qora panel by mitering a panel. If you have the option of starting on a corner, then you want to locate a place in the panel where there is all stone in order to make your 45-degree cut. Best to locate a spot in the panel that is made of stones from the top to the bottom so that when you make your miter cut, you have stone on both sides. You may not be able to start with a corner, so you might find yourself in a situation where you come to a corner and you have to cut through a joint. That's what you have to do in that case. It isn't always possible to start on a corner or end on a corner. Once you know where you want your corner to be, just snap a chalk line down the stones. Whether you're cutting an internal or external corner, make the first cut following the line. Take the drop-off piece and turn it around to cut the other side of your corner. Follow the edge of the cut along the highest spot in the panel. Now you can install your corner. Make sure you've caulked your cut ends. And once you have the first panel installed, install your second panel, making sure to bring the corner right out to the edge. After you've installed your corner, you'll want to go back and caulk the edge with color-matched caulk or exterior paintable caulk, and then touch up with a similar color.